everyone, welcome to Maker Monday. We're going to learn quite a few things tonight. Let's get into it.
Hello, today we're going to be looking at CorelDRAW and how to make decals that you could stick on your laptop. So to get started, you want to find something that you want to use as a decal. So I went to a great site called brainsoftheworld.com and I found this UK logo. So I'll go and import it. And the great thing is it's already in vector format, so we don't have to do any conversions on it. That's one of the great things about Brains of the World. Now, one thing that I'm noticing right off is that it's selecting everything out here. So that must mean that it's importing some sort of like background, even though we can't see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this and ungroup it. I click out of that and then click on this. Sure enough, there's a box right here. So now when I select that, you can see it's right on the logo. So I'm going to group that. Now let's look at the sizing. So right now it's at about 2 inches. Let's just bump it up to like 3.5. Then we need to set a cut line. So since this is a vector, what I can do is go to Object, Shaping, then Boundary. And if you notice, I'll hold this away for a second, it's created this outline. And I'll undo that, so now it's back where it was. Then we need to do the roll and cut contour. So again, outline width is going to be hairline. The outline color, go to Show Color Palettes, Cut Contour. And you can see it now has that pink line that again, when we send it to the machine, it'll see that pink line, cut out, and of course everything inside is going to print. And again, to export, you File and Export. Give it a name. Make sure that it is EPS, and then export it. Simple as that. Thank you for watching.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL Creative Space at www.jesspublib.org/creative space.